believe it? Like, June is right around the corner. How did this happen? How are we almost halfway through the year 2022 already? I don't know. I don't get it, but we gotta live with it because the calendar moves right along. So, what is going on for June in the world of handmade marketing? And what are the things that we need to prepare for? So June is coming literally right off the cusp of Memorial Day weekend. So hopefully everybody's running their Memorial Day promotions. And now coming into June, what kind of holidays are we expecting? Well, there are 4 semi-biggies in June to look at, but they're holidays for notifying, not so much for gifting. I'm going to get to that in a minute. So first off, what are the 4 holidays of June? Kicking off June 6th, we have the first one, D-Day. I don't know that you're running D-Day sales. That's more of an acknowledgement, especially if you are in any way related to military and services. You gotta recognize D-Day. All right. Next up, we have Juneteenth. Again, I don't know that we're doing much in the way of gifting, but it is heavy duty on recognition. I honestly don't remember if companies were doing Juneteenth sales last year, but pay attention. Does your market, are they going to be looking for the sale that day? So that's the second one. Number 3, which is a big shoppy, is kind of sharing the day with Juneteenth, and that is Father's Day. If your customer cares about dad, is a dad, or is looking at male figures in their lives, then you need to be doing something for Father's Day. Now, we'll be doing a full-on Father's Day alert video to remind you guys as we get closer to the holiday. We also did our Father's Day gift guide challenge last month, so if you are not extreme, but if you are a good prepper, you're already in sync and know what you're doing for Father's Day. But needless to say, if you're celebrating dear old dad, you better be prepared for it. And other fun fact is that consumers spend more on Father's Day than they do on Mother's Day. By about like $5-10, but it's still more. If you want to know more about Father's Day and really prepping out for it, I encourage you to check out this video right here where I went deep on Father's Day. And then our 4th holiday coming in here is the summer solstice on June 21st. Now, the solstice is the true kickoff to summer. Now, really, Memorial Day is like the celebratory kickoff to summer, but the solstice makes it official. We are now meteorologically, that's right or not, but by the weather, by the calendar, it is officially summer, June 21st. I don't know about you and where you live, but where I live, it is hot and feels like summer way before June 21st. Like, we'll be kicking it up very, very soon, probably Memorial Day weekend. But so any of your summer marketing, summer collections, summer sales, summer tips, have them prepped out. And you could always do a like 21% off sale or 22% off. So you could do something interesting to kick off and celebrate the summer solstice, which is the longest day of the year. So if you are going to celebrate sunshine, like why do you think I'm wearing yellow today? If you're going to celebrate sunshine, then go for it and go all out for the 21st. Now, I do know Juneteenth, Father's Day, summer solstice, very close together. Can't avoid it. Pick one, pick 2, do all 3. It's up to you as long as you can keep it organized in your business. Now, other things that are going on that are not necessarily date specific. High schools are still going through graduation. They really wrap up. I know where I live in the Northeast, they are wrapping up. Like my high school was always the last week of June for graduation. So jealous of all the kids who start in May and get it done in May. At the same time, they go back to school in August, which just doesn't seem right. September is back to school. I'm sorry. Traditionalist. All right. Traditional Northeastist. Moving right along. So, graduations are wrapping up. We have summer kickoffs. We have road trip season is starting. We have, like, kiddos going into daycare and those kind of schools. We have that transition going on. And it is all out beach culture, lake culture, get outside culture, and enjoy the outdoors. So, if you do anything that could relate to, can make some kind of tangential connection to summer and outside, go for it. This is the time to really kick it off because this is when people are looking. This is when people, like, they're buying their bathing suits or they've already got them. They're buying their flip-flops or they've already got them. Or they've realized that the ones from last year are falling apart and now they need to get new ones. So all that kind of good stuff going on. These are the biggies to focus on in June. Now, that's not to say there's like a gazillion holidays in June when you start adding in national days. And I have something special for you. Let me know if you want it down below. If you are interested in a calendar that breaks out by lifestyle and interest the different national days of that are in each month. Because, I may have just, made a calendar like that breaks it out by interests. Like, we have our general holidays that we just did. We have nature and pet holidays. We have food holidays. We have fandom holidays. We have kids and like fun kind of holidays. We got military holidays. We got like retail shopping holidays, like all those kind of cool things going on here in this calendar, all broken out by industry. So you can look at the ones that just make sense for you instead of going through the mega lists and lists and lists and pages of nationalday.com. I got it all curated for you. So if you're interested in that, comment below, save the date if you want access into my profit calendar, my profit scheduler here. We are a scheduling calendar. So we never miss a holiday. We never miss an excuse for a promotion again, because come on, events and celebrations are like the #1 excuse for shopping and promotions. That said, other things going on that go on year round, but it's always good to hone in on them. Birthdays. If you do anything that's gift worthy, like celebrate birthdays. If you can tie it into horoscopes, if you can tie it into your horoscope is your sign, those. Wow, I'm a Pisces and just whatever those are called. Tie it into those. Tie it into gemstones or birthstones if it goes in. Birth colors. If you do flowers, there's like a month, flower of the month, bird of the month, animal of the month. Like, there's a lot of different options here that you can tie in if that's an angle that works for your customer, for your products. Remember, it's all customer oriented. So you have birthdays going on. You have anniversaries going on. You have like bridal parties. We are in wedding season here. So those kinds of things going on. There's lots and lots of options for celebrations. Now, my favorite way to market for a celebration, really especially the big ones, is through gift guides. Oh yeah, you knew it was coming. If you've been following the channel, you know it. I am all about gift guides. Why? Because gift guides, they are the shortcut for your customer to make a decision on making a purchase. Right? I love it. Gift guides showcase all your best stuff. They tell your customer exactly who your stuff is for, who on their shopping list, whether for themselves or for other people that they know. And it puts your products in a real life situation. You're giving them real life context. It's not just what's on a Google shopping wall. It's not just what's in an Amazon search. It's not just, oh, that's a pretty website. You're putting it in context of how it affects their lives. So like gift guides are awesome in that way. Plus it gives you a content hub for all of the amazing things that you can talk about. So, whew. That is a lot as we prep out for June. And that is to say, if you want to know more about doing gift guides, more about building those amazing customer relationships, getting inside their heads and turning your customers into ecstatic raving fans who buy all the time because you are trained up and you know how to keep making them offers that matter to them, then I invite you to join me on the gift guide challenge. For June, we are doing a summer focus. So if you're looking to do a Father's Day gift guide, sorry, you missed it. That was last month. We run a month ahead of time. So when we run the June challenge, we are looking at what's going on in July to keep you guys ahead of the game and try to eliminate or curtail and contain any last minute marketing, because last minute marketing actions tend to be thrown together, ill-prepared, poorly executed, and they're just a general mess. You're like, oh shit, I forgot. No more, oh shit, I forgot. We are planning these things a month ahead of time. So our June gift guide challenge launches on the first Wednesday. They always launch on the first Wednesday of the month. So this will be running June 1st, Wednesday through Friday, and then we'll wrap up Monday and Tuesday of the following week. You have the weekend for any kind of catch-up work, or just, to enjoy your weekend and take a deep breath. In the spring, you'll walk out of the challenge with a deeper understanding of your customer, a deeper understanding of how to sell your products, especially in bundles, sets, and experiences, and you're going to have a completed gift guide that you are ready to send out and distribute to your customers and get them taking the action of, making sales. I can't legally guarantee that you will make sales off of your gift guide, FTC, blah, blah, blah. But at least you increase your chances of making sales because you are communicating in a way that your customer is primed to respond to. So that's all I'm going to say about that part. The June challenge will have a heavy summer focus. We're going to kick it off as a 4th of July. You have the options. You can do a 4th of July gift guide. You can do a full-on summer and beach style gift guide. Those are really our big focuses. And we'll start teasing a little bit of back to school, but really we'll be doing that in July. We'll be focusing on back to school gift guides. Yes. So full gift guide schedule is down below. Do feel free, come in. I have people who come and do the challenge every single month. And the best part about it is that every single month their gift guides and their customer relations get better and better and better. So this is a skill that you really want to have honed in before we hit the high holiday season. What high holiday season am I talking about? Because yes, there's holidays all year round, but you know what? The high holidays, that's the end of Q3, Q4, Halloween, and the winter holidays. Say Halloween, Thanksgiving, and the winter holidays. Those are the biggies. You want to have these processes, these skills down pat before we hit those, right? Right. So, it's only $7 to join. You have until 1 p.m. Eastern time on June 1st to join the gift guide challenge. We have it linked down below, or you can go to giftguidechallenge.com/go, and I hope to see you on the inside. If you got questions about the challenge, Pikul Peep, drop them down below. I'll be more than happy to answer them for you. Alrighty. And with that, we are set. I want to know, do you have a June marketing plan? Or were you inspired? Was there anything that I covered today that you did not think of? You're like, oh, I need to include that in my June marketing plan, and go in and shuffle things around. And of course, you know it. Comment, save the day to get first access into my profit planning calendar. All right, Pikul Peeps, that's it for today. Make sure to give this video a like if you enjoyed it. Smash that subscribe button, hit the bell so you know when our next videos come out. And for that, my name is Melissa Pikul. Have an epic day while you're building an epic business.